let's install PraisonAI on your desktop. Special shout out to Mervin Praison for creating this awesome application. I will leave Mervin's YouTube channel below so you guys can subscribe to his channel. So, PraisonAI application combines AutoGen and CrewAI or similar frameworks into a low-code solution for building and managing multi-agent large language model systems, focusing on simplicity, customization, and efficient human-agent collaboration. So, let's install this on our Windows OS. First, click on the green button in GitHub and clone it. Now you want to hit the git clone repository in VS Code, paste it up on the text box. Now what you're going to do is save it onto your desktop. I'm going to save it into my documents. I'm going to open a new window. And I'll go to the folder section on the left side. There you see the directory for PraisonAI. We're going to go back to GitHub and install PraisonAI. So first, I'm going to create a virtual environment by hitting Control-Shift-P. I'm going to hit the Python 3.12. Click the requirements.txt and click OK. So as it's running, I'm going to go back to GitHub and paste the pip install PraisonAI, which I did. So that's going to probably come up slow. Apologize, my computer is crappy. Click enter. Let it run its course. Go back and GitHub. Look for anything to install, all the requirements. We got that already. So what we're going to do is wait on the virtual environment to get created. So before you do that, or as you do that, you can go to the env.example file and type in your API key, save all. So I'm not going to paste my API key here due to security reasons for YouTube. But once it's done, I can show you how the code is executed once the virtual environment is set up. let it run its course. I might hit cancel. Yep, I'm just gonna hit cancel and start all over again. All right, so let's paste the. All right, we'll come back after I put my API key into the code. So let's transfer over to Visual Studio Code. Let me present my screen. All right. So after that, you establish a virtual environment and input your API key. Rename the .en file to .env. You want to run the code, and the code is PraisonAI. All right, so something went wrong. Let me go back to videos. Let's reinstall it again. If this doesn't go well, I'm probably going to install the requirements.txt file. In the file, let it install. So I'm running this on a Dell laptop that's about 3 years old. I upgraded the RAM to 40 gigabytes, and I have a 4 terabyte SSD drive with 4 cores of CPU. So I'm pushing it. Apologize, but this is taking some time. So go grab some coffee, take a break, and come back. Let's go back to the GitHub. So we just installed this. So we'll click on that. Initialize. Once this is done, check the requirements text file. So we gotta install Rich, PyAutoGen, PraisonAI, and Gradio. Let's see, scrolling up here if it. Oh, all right, it's done. So let's go back. Just recopy this. Go back, paste that code, press enter. So it's still not working. So let's go ahead and pip install dash requirements. All right, so that's done. Let's go back to GitHub and let's try to run it. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna come back later and figure out why this is not working. However, if you guys have figured this out, please leave a comment below and hopefully I'll be able to make this work. Thank you so much for watching.